Hey dudes, I just have one quick question, okay, for all of you, the car brands. I mean, like a Mahindra, Tata, and Fords, which are the Indian brands, okay, which I'm talking, okay. So, why are not producing like any sports type cars, okay? Because right now, what I'm seeing is mostly is due to mostly or middle class or some kind of only like affordable cars, okay. So is there like any luxury cars? I mean, I'm telling I'm not able to purchase, okay. I'm telling I'm not able to purchase right now, but there are some people who can able to purchase, okay, because they are getting they are getting very premium cars, like a very luxury cars like a Lamborghini, a Ferrari, Rolls Royce. So is there some kind of those kind of sport, very luxury cars or very premium cars or very sports stylish cars? Is such kind of designs, or are you not able to put your efforts in the R&D work, or or you or else are you only want the profit from the from that one, or you don't want to enter into that that range, or what? I mean, I just really kind of sad because there is no, all I'm seeing is only some foreign brands. I mean, I didn't able to I have search some, I have googled and searched some data, but I didn't find any single car as well. I mean, very premium car or very stylish, very luxury car, more than I mean, some very like it's I know you are all making the cards only for the affordable, like a my type middle class or some kind of below middle class, those kind of peoples. But I just wanted to tell, if you enter to that class as well, we just wanted to figure out, because the make in India, those kind of concepts is running, right? We just wanted to feel proud actually, because there are couple of people are willing to buy actually, which are made in India, very very premium, like they want to stand with those brands actually. So is that I just you can use the chat gpt, or you can use any AI models, okay, to generate the to generate the that frame and also, okay. You can use the leverage of AI, okay. You can use those tools. I just give some random prompt, okay. These kind of designs it has given, okay. You can look this one, okay. Thank you. If you find any those kind of interesting things, okay, please comment down in the below, okay. I just wanted to know if they are already built some kind of things or what, okay. See you.